It's me again. This is one of my random, totally off-topic videos, but I usually, sorry about the mic, it's being charged. I usually buy gum in my garage. You can see there's a pile of gum over here. I buy gum and put it in my garage, and my kids come and eat it all. It gives them something to look forward to. But I decided to buy some different gum. Bought this Mentos shit with vitamins. I'm just wondering, did anybody ever taste this shit before they made them? This thing just tastes horrible. And then who the hell, I don't know, I didn't even notice it. But it's vitamins B6, C, and B12. Citrus, dietary supplement. Is the world gone that sad that you need a dietary supplement in candy? I mean, let's get real. It's candy. It's junk food. It's crap. And you're putting vitamins in it. I don't know. Why is my light going weird? There, that's better. So anyway, now behind me is even brighter. But yeah, I don't know. I bought the wrong one. Just wanted gum, and this stuff tastes like shit. So Mentos, make some better tasting gum. This sucks. Hope you like the video.